Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to factory reset Acer Nitro 5. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to your start menu or your start bar, and then simply click on the search bar and then type in reset. And once you do that, here you'll be getting the option that says reset this PC. Simply click on it, and once you click on it, here what you need to do is just simply scroll down and then find the option that says reset this PC. Now all you gotta do is simply click on this get started and follow the on-screen instructions to successfully reset your PC. Now the next step is what you need to do is long press on this your power button, and once you do that, your PC will be or your laptop will be turned off. Now all you gotta do is keep on holding power button by pressing alter and power button, and once you do that, after a couple of seconds you'll be getting this on your screen. Now all you gotta do here is just simply choose the option that says troubleshoot right here, and once you click on troubleshoot, you'll be getting this option reset this PC. Simply select that, and once you select that, here you'll have the option to keep your files or remove everything. You can select as per your preference, and then once you do that, here you'll be getting your reinstall as well. Simply click on local reinstall, and once you do that, lastly what you need to do is select from just to remove my files or clean the drive fully. And now once you do that and follow the remaining process, and you'll successfully be able to factory reset your PC or Acer Nitro 5, and that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.